Hey guys, Swapnil here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the newly released Xiaomi Mi TV stick. So this is basically an Android TV stick, which is a competitor for the Amazon Fire TV stick, and even the name is very similar. So this is the 1080p version. For 4K they actually have a Mi box, which they also sell for around 3500 rupees. This is currently retailing in India for around 2800 rupees through Flipkart and me.com. So let's go through the box, and then I'll give you a demonstration as to how it works along with the TV. On the back we have an illustration of a TV along with the Android UI running on it. We have 64-bit quad-core CPU, DTS digital out, Chromecast built-in, and Google Assistant support. On the front we have the Mi TV stick and the remote. It also says that it comes with a power adapter. And these are some of the famous OTT platforms which can be seen, which this does support. So these are the steps. Attach Mi TV to a TV, connect to the internet, and start streaming. Let's cut the seal and we'll have a look inside. So the seals are now off. So we have our micro USB cable. This does not come with a Type-C cable. We have our quick start guide sort of a thing. We have our Mi TV stick itself. It is wrapped in some plastic, so we'll get rid of the plastic. Feels really light, and we have the HDMI port here. So the bottom part is actually glossy and the front part is matte with the Mi logo with the micro USB port. This basically powers the Mi TV stick. You also get a wall adapter. Let's see what the rating is. This is 5 volts at 1000 milliamp. So it's a 5-watt charger. And we also get our remote. So it's a very lightweight remote actually. That's a good thing. Oh, sadly, we don't get any pre-installed batteries, so it will take AAA batteries. So we have our power button, the Google Assistant button, then the direction keys and the selection key. I believe the menu button, the back, the home, volume rockers, and a dedicated Netflix and Prime Video button. So in later part of this video, I'll connect this to a TV and show you the demonstration. Let's jump to the demonstration part now. I have connected the Mi TV stick to this Samsung TV here, which I have. This is a regular TV, not a smart TV. Let's go into about and let's look at the details. So we can see the current Android version which is installed on the TV is version 9 with security patch level of 5th March 2020. So this is the basic UI which we get with the Android TV. So we have multiple rows. So the first row represents the apps which we have, and we also have the option of adding other apps. So, and the bottommost row is the apps spotlight, where it showcases some of the apps which it thinks which we might like. Then we have other recommended things. For here we can see YouTube and Google Play Music. I have set this up with the basic OTT platforms which we have: Netflix, Prime Video, Sony Live, and Hotstar, the ones which I use. And these are all the apps which are pre-installed on the Mi TV stick. Not the OTT platforms, but the other ones. Also, this is the Play Store from where we can go ahead and download other apps which we want, and the ones which are available for the Android TV platform. So let's go to YouTube and I'll play a video from my channel. So this is my last video, the JBL Charge 4 speaker unboxing. We'll play that. And this is the remote, which also has the volume controls with which we can control the volume. Playing my last video here. If you want to check this video out, a link will be there in the description. Do check it out. Also, we have basic controls on the YouTube app, and as you can see, it shows up to 1080p. Like, that's what the Mi TV stick supports up to. If you need a 4K option, you will have to go with the Mi TV box, which retails for a slightly higher price of 3500, I believe. So these are the details which we have on the screen now. So the YouTube application for Android TV has that option. So that's for the demo part. That's how it looks like. So this is how the Mi TV stick works, and well, that would be it, guys, for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the Mi TV stick itself, do let me know in the comments down below and I'll make sure to answer them. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Also, if you did so, feel free to hit the thumbs up button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.